hang in there. Don't get aggressive when somebody gets aggressive to you back, whether it's via email or verbally. I'll call you when I'm damn good and ready. Makes perfect sense. I totally get it. Understand you're busy. What's a good next step then? I just told you, I don't know what the next step is. I'll know it when I'm ready. What's a good next step for me? He told me he couldn't. It's amazing. People can't, and the more aggressive they are, when you ask that second question of what's a good next step for me or next step on my end, it's almost impossible for them to say, I don't know. Why? Because they've already told you I don't know once. If they say it a second time, it's against their ego. And also, when somebody is aggressive like that and they raise their voice, I'll call you when I'm damn good and ready. If you allow them to boss you around, if you allow them to push you around, they will push. This is psychological jujitsu. By Chuck going, I will call you when I'm damn good and ready, he's already pushing on me. So I'm just going to allow him to push and I'm going to sweep him. Got it. What's a good next step then? I just told you I'll call you when I'm good and ready. It makes perfect sense. What's a good next step for me? Call me 4:30 because he wants to continue to tell me what to do. I'm giving him an opportunity to tell me what to do. In most of the cases, they are within those two. What's a good next step then? And what's a good next step on my end? They're going to tell you what a next step is. If they're in the few opportunities where they go, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, just simply set a next step. Chuck, makes perfect sense. How about we do this? Today's Wednesday. I'll call you Friday by 2:30 if I haven't heard from you. There's a no losing that. Fair enough? And throw the fair enough. They always say the same thing. When we role played this in the live, yeah, fair enough. Not one person was like, that doesn't work for me. Okay? If they say it doesn't work for me, perfect. What time does work for you? Call me Wednesday. You guys, we got to stop fighting with these people and we just have to have a skillful way to set a next step. Stop caring so much about getting the contract in that moment and just continue to set next steps and you'll be shocked at how you get the contract in that moment.